Where are they? Are the human beings only one in the Milky Way galaxy? What if there are any other strange creatures living in different parts of the universe? If you also have the same question, whether we are truly alone in this vast universe, then you are not alone. Enrico Fermi was the first to ask a big question. Where are they? Stick to this video till the end to know the answer to this mystery, whether we are truly alone. We now know that the visible universe may span over at least 93 billion light years, and this huge visible universe is over 13.7 billion years old. Isn't it silly to think that life only exists on Earth when the cosmos is so vast? Now you must be thinking, if the extraterrestrial life exists, then where are they? And why they have not contacted us yet? Let's see how Fermi paradox can be the answer to all these questions. There is a widely known misconception about a scientist, Enrico Fermi, who in 1950 asked the billion-dollar question, if they exist, where are they? This misconception goes like this. One day he was having a conversation with his colleagues. If there may be many habitable Earth-like planets in our Milky Way galaxy, and if intelligent life and technological civilization arise on any one of them, that civilization will eventually invent a means of interstellar travel. It will colonize nearby stellar systems. These colonies will send out their own colonizing expeditions, and the process will continue inevitably until every habitable planet in the galaxy has been reached. The fact that there aren't already aliens here on Earth was therefore supposed to be strong evidence that they don't exist anywhere in the galaxy. But in reality, this argument actually isn't Fermi's and was published more than 25 years later by astronomer Michael Hart. For over 60 years, scientists have been on the edge of their seats, waiting for a sign, a signal, anything. It's very difficult to connect with possible alien neighbors because the universe is so big. It's like trying to find a needle in an interstellar haystack. Frank Tipler asked how civilization will get enough resources to colonize billions of stars. He explained that if these civilizations are intelligent, they can create machines to colonize other stars. Then we will see a high level of colonization on various stars formed by these machines. But as we have not encountered any of such machines till now, then there are no chances of their presence. Many experts have come forward with various theoretical solutions to the Fermi paradox. Yet, it could take billions of years to reach these alien civilizations. This is because the Milky Way galaxy alone has 400 billion stars. But that's only the Milky Way, and there are around 2 trillion galaxies like the Milky Way. Now, how do you think we will be able to reach those extraterrestrial beings in one life? Yeah, pretty impossible, isn't it? Despite this, another possible explanation about Fermi paradox. Yeah, there's more to this puzzle than what meets the eye. Superlinear scaling, the rise and fall of civilizations, could be the key. Think about this. When cities grow fast, they fall apart and civilizations have energy problems. Could this be why our cosmic phone remains unanswered? Second explanation is the shortage of energy while they are growing. Looking at the bigger cities explains it, which means that whenever they are growing too fast, they collapse. But what happens if they somehow contact us? Now, what if they do reach out? Maybe they're observing us from afar, plotting their intergalactic takeover. It seems like a plot straight out of a sci-fi movie, but what if it's more than just fiction? Let's see what happens if they reach Earth. Aliens, with their advanced technology and systems, may attempt to control the Earth. Once they have taken control, they might try to make us slaves. They can also try to use the humans as lab rats, or they might treat us as pets, and Earth as a large farm. Frightening, right? But that's only possible if they actually develop the same level of technology as portrayed in science fiction movies. Arthur C. Clarke further doubted the presence of alien civilizations. He explained why they haven't contacted us yet. They might be scared of us. The Earth is already overflowing disasters caused by humans, such as wars, nuclear disruptions, and natural catastrophes. However, the universe itself can be a major obstacle to communicating with extraterrestrial planets. The universe consists of billions and billions of stars and planets. Also, all the electromagnetic signals that we use travel at the speed of light. But do you know that 1 light year is around 9 trillion kilometers distance traveled by the light? A study found that the closest galaxy to Milky Way is 2.5 million light years away. The study also revealed it would take us about 400,000 years to communicate with aliens. It's like leaving a voicemail for a friend who lives galaxies away. Therefore, by the time our messages reach this galaxy, many generations on Earth may have passed, and the one left behind may not have any idea about what was going on after so many years. With messages traveling at the speed of light and the vast distances involved, by the time we get a reply, many civilizations may have risen and fallen on both ends. Earth's early start in the life game may also be a reason why they have not contacted us yet. We might go extinct before our cosmic neighbors even notice us. And without interstellar spaceships, the chances of a hostile takeover loom large. Even though we're really good at engineering, we can't make spaceships for going to other stars. Thus, when any disastrous catastrophe occurs on the Earth, there is a high risk that the Earth could become unlivable for us and we will not have anywhere else to go. The zoo hypothesis suggests that aliens watch us from outside, waiting to enter later. They might be attracted to us as we are attracted to caged animals in a zoo. They are only observing us from the distance to see if we can be of any use to them. But fear not, fellow Earthlings. To avoid a hostile takeover, we need to level up on the Kardashev scale. Once we hit Type 1, we'll harness all our planet's energy. Type 2 involves sci-fi magic like Dyson spheres, and Type 3, well, that's controlling an entire galaxy's energy flow. For now, unfortunately, we are still at 0.73 on the Kardashev scale. Once we reach Type 1 civilization, we will be able to utilize all the energy present on our blue planet. A Type 2 civilization can use all the energy, but it needs a science fiction method like the Dyson sphere. Type 3 civilization has the tendencies of controlling the energy flow through the whole galaxy. Will it not be great to harness 410 quintillion joules of energy in 1 year? But we will have to wait to about 5,000 to 6,000 years to reach this galactic civilization level. Well, we are able to get so many resources with 3-leveled civilizations. Just imagine what can us not gain in the Type 4 to Type 7 civilizations. The Milky Way is filled with trillions of planets. According to scientists, there is a high probability that some planets may have this super civilizations as well. A civilization with such great tendencies will be great. But the pressing question remains unanswered here as well. Where are they? The only answer to this is the Fermi paradox. But the scientists have produced some theoretical ideas. For example, filters. Let's see what filters are. Filters were basically the barriers which a planet has to pass in order to sustain life on it. Some of them can be easy, while others can be really hard to pass. Our blue planet has bravely passed some of these filters, while there can be many others that we may not have been able to cross. But what if we cross the final filter? What lies behind the last barrier? Well, for now, nobody has the answers to these. Also, we can wonder if the alien civilizations have crossed all the filters and they have reached the Type 3 civilization. Why would they come back to us? This can be another answer to the question that we have not been contacted yet by any of them. Last but not the least, life. Life can be really difficult to grow in any planets outside the Earth atmosphere, as many optimum conditions such as the weather, atmosphere, soil, and biochemical reactions will be required. All the life form will have to emerge from a small life form that needs to be evolved. After evolving successfully for a long time, they will need to create a multicellular organism. This organism will then develop technologies to colonize. But one thing that stops them from reaching Earth and invading us is the great filter disasters. These disasters can be asteroids, huge climate change, or an uneven host star. But in the end, the Earth is left alone, with life evolving on it for hundreds and hundreds of years. Our universe is unpredictable. What if we encounter the most advanced civilization capable of traveling between universes? What happens beyond that? But that's a portal beyond another veil. Let's explore it some other time, at same place, maybe with another you.